Question 1. Space mystery. Tell me, which planet has the most moons? Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, or Mars? The answer is Saturn. It has the highest number of moons discovered so far. Question 2. Here's a tricky one. Which continent has absolutely no snakes? Asia, Europe, Antarctica, or Africa? The answer is Antarctica, the freezing land where snakes can't survive. Question 3. In the water world, which animal is the fastest swimmer? Dolphin, sailfish, shark, or tuna? It's the sailfish, the true speedster of the ocean. Question 4. World record fact. Which is the largest desert in the world? Options: Sahara, Antarctica, Gobi, or Kalahari. The answer is, surprisingly, it's Antarctica, a frozen desert bigger than the Sahara. Question 5. Brain teaser time. Which number looks the same even when written upside down? Options: 6, 8, 9, or 10. The answer is, that's right, the answer is 8. Question 6. Ocean fact. Tell me, which is the largest animal on Earth? Options: elephant, blue whale, shark, or giraffe. The answer is, it's the mighty blue whale, the largest creature ever known. Question 7. Ancient history fact. Which was the first metal used by humans? Options: copper, iron, gold, or silver. The answer is copper, the very first metal shaped by human hands. Question 8. Health mystery. Which organ controls your body temperature? Options: heart, brain, kidney, or lungs. The answer is the brain, the master organ keeping your body in balance. Question 9. Money fact. Which country first introduced the ATM machine? Options: USA, UK, Japan, or Germany. The answer is the UK, the first to launch the modern ATM. Question 10. First smartphone fact. Which company made the world's first smartphone? Options: Apple, Samsung, IBM, or Nokia. Answer: the answer is IBM, the pioneer of the smartphone. Question 11. Bird mystery. Which bird can actually fly backward? Options are parrot, crow, hummingbird, or owl. The answer is the tiny hummingbird, the only bird that can do this trick. Question 12. Smallest bone quiz. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Options are stapes, femur, tibia, or ulna. The answer is stapes, found inside your ear. Question 13. Oldest university fact. Which is the world's oldest university still running? Options: Oxford, Nalanda, University of Al-Qarawiyyin, or Cambridge. It's the University of Al-Qarawiyyin, founded in the year 859 in Morocco. Question 14. Ocean mystery. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Options: Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, or Arctic. It's the Pacific Ocean, deeper than all others. Question 15. Country of canals. Which city is called the Venice of the East? Options: Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Jakarta, or Dhaka. That's Bangkok, with its amazing waterways. Question 16. Nobel Prize fact. Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize? Options: Florence Nightingale, Marie Curie, Mother Teresa, or Rosalind Franklin. It was Marie Curie, a legend in science and history. Question 17. Speed tone. Animal speed quiz. Which is the fastest animal on land? Options: lion, horse, cheetah, or tiger. Answer: it's the cheetah,
unmatched in speed. Question 18. Plant breathing fact. Plants breathe in which gas at night? Options: oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or hydrogen. Answer: at night, they take in oxygen. Question 19. Which animal's milk is pink in color? Cow, hippopotamus, camel, or goat? It's the hippopotamus. Their milk is naturally pink. Question 20. Famous painter. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Options: Michelangelo, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, or Vincent van Gogh. The answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question 21. Tallest mountain quiz. Which is the highest mountain in the world? K2, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, or Makalu? Answer: it's Mount Everest, the rooftop of the world. Question 22. Body shock. Which part of the human body keeps growing even after death? Hair and nails, heart, brain, or bones? Answer: it's hair and nails. They appear to keep growing even after death. Question 23. Computer history. Who is called the father of computers? Bill Gates, Charles Babbage, Alan Turing, or Steve Jobs? Answer: it's Charles Babbage, the father of modern computing. Question 24. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Options: Mercury, Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Answer: it's Venus, hotter than even Mercury. Question 25. Food surprise. Which natural food never spoils even after thousands of years? Options: honey, salt, rice, or olive oil? Answer: it's honey, nature's food that lasts forever. Question 26. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Options: mango, apple, banana, or orange? Answer: it's the mango, loved all over the world. Question 27. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Options: crow, pigeon, dove, or parrot? Answer: it's the dove, the bird of peace. Question 28. Which is the fastest bird in the world? Options: eagle, falcon, peregrine falcon, or hawk? Answer: it's the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird alive. Question 29. Shocking nature fact. Which tree produces the most oxygen on Earth? Options: banyan, mango, Amazon rainforest trees, or pine? Answer: the Amazon rainforest trees. They are the true lungs of our planet. Question 30. Which country is called the land of 1,000 lakes? Options: Sweden, Finland, Norway, or Switzerland? Answer: it's Finland, famous for its countless lakes. Question 31. Which planet has the most moons? Options are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. It's Jupiter, with dozens of moons orbiting it. Question 32. Which gas do humans exhale while breathing out? Options are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen. It's carbon dioxide. Question 33. Which animal can change its color to hide from enemies? Options are crocodile, octopus, frog, or snake. It's the octopus, a true master of disguise.